To track a USPS package, go to the official website at USPS.com. On the homepage, look at the top menu bar and hover over Quick Tools. From the drop-down menu, choose Track a Package. On the tracking page, type your tracking number into the box and press Enter. You'll then see the latest status of your package. If you're not sure what the tracking number looks like, USPS shows an example on the page. Most tracking numbers are 20 to 22 digits long and sometimes begin with a few letters followed by numbers. You can find your tracking number in a few places. It's printed on your post office shipping receipt, your sales receipt if you bought insurance, or in the confirmation email you get when shipping from USPS.com. If you ordered from an online retailer, they usually send it in the shipping confirmation email. And if you still have the USPS tracking label, the number is also on the peel-off portion at the bottom. That's all you need. Enter the number, and you can follow your package every step of the way.